Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Swing Arm Bag Left Side. For L capacity, this swing arm bag is enough to hold small items needed for daily use. Keep in place, the left side bag can store your registration and small items like earphones and keys. Charge easy to get them. Fitment, motorcycle swing arm bag fit for sports. Number 2. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Tail Bag. This motorcycle tail bag can be expandable to 34 liter. Size, 14.6 inch L x 12.2 W x 7.9 H standard / 14.6 L x 12.2 W x 11.8 H expanded. Large storage room for carrying clothes, shoes, helmet, iPad, and lunch. Compatible for most motorcycle models such as CB600RR, Iron 883, MT10, FZ0709, R1200 GS. Note: doesn't fit dirt bike and bicycle. Number 3. KEMIMOTO Saddlebags Motorcycle Bag Waterproof. Motorcycle saddlebags are fit for most motorcycle models, including but not limited to dirt bikes, dual sport, motocross, and enduro motorcycles, perfectly compatible with GROM 2025, 2024, 2023, 2022, Navi, Z125, and most mini motorcycles. Number 4. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Tank Bag with Waterproof Cover. Constructed with high-quality waterproof materials and an additional waterproof rain cover, this motorcycle bag tank ensures your belongings stay dry in any weather conditions. Be it heavy rain or prolonged humid environments, your items remain protected. Number 5. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Tool Bag. This premium leather motorcycle handlebar bag boasts superior stitching and heavy-duty buckles, with a spacious size of 11.44.74.1 inches. Perfect for carrying all your essential items, including keys, sunglasses, wallet, driver's license, and cell phone. Our motorcycle fork bag includes 2 adjustable mounting straps and 4 cable zip ties, allowing for easy installation on your handlebars, sissy bar, front forks, and side frame.